Well, we have an idea for you for lunch coming up. It's Chili for Charity, and to tell us today, Director of Activate Allen County, Kayla Monfort, in with all the details. So thanks for joining us, Kayla.
Thanks for having me.
Okay, so on March 20th, we know people can enjoy some chili and have a fun time for a good cause. So let's talk about Chili for Charity.
Yes, thank you. I would love to invite everyone to join us for lunch on March 20th. We'll be over at the Mercy Health Graduate Medical Education Building for our second annual Chili for Charity event. You're going to be eating lunch anyway, so why not do it for a great cause and join us for a great time talking about youth mental health programs in our community. And then that $10 that you spend for lunch will go directly back into the community through basically a crowd-funded vote, a luncheon-type vote situation where you're going to hear presentations, hear about some programs that are impacting our youth in a positive way regarding mental health. And then after those presentations are done and after you've enjoyed a great chili lunch, you'll be able to vote there right on site for what presentation and program you think should be gaining some additional funds that will come right from that crowd-funded lunch. So everyone will be just kind of participating in a great cause. So we really hope to see everyone out.
All right, so this is the second one. So like, what kind of things did you see last year that people presented that, you know, had programs that worked in the community?
Yep, so last year's focus was just general mental health. So we had some programming around getting kids more excited about music and how music and mental health come together. We also had a great presentation from Warriors Way, who won the crowd vote, working with our veterans here. So obviously impacting the veterans' mental health is a really exciting program. So those are just a couple of the ideas that we had presented last year, and they're doing such great work still this year. So these funds really do go a long way. Actually, this year we've increased our sponsorships, increased the number of our local communities who are actually joining in to provide some funding. So this year we've been blessed to be able to provide $8,000 for our top three crowd-funded votes, and then that first prize will then gain all that, the $10 that you pay will go directly to the first prize, so it'll be additional to their $8,000 that they're already going to be gaining. So it's a really great way, again, to learn more about youth mental health programming in our community, what's being done, and you might learn something. We hope you do. And then we also, again, want you to hear your voice and kind of give you the ability and the platform to tell us what you think should be funded. And that will really help us in terms of getting some additional funds out to the community, which is overall the plan, just making sure that our mental health programming is well funded and that we have great ideas. We have innovative ideas from folks, and they just simply need a little bit of money to get those programs started. So that's what we want to do with Chili for Charity. It's a great partnership between Activate, Synovus, the Mental Health Recovery Services Board of Allen, Auglaize, and Hardin County, and of course, Good Food Restaurants, who is generously helping us with our chili lunch. So we really do appreciate all those sponsors coming together. Again, being able to award so much money to the community is really exciting, and we really want you to fill the seats at Mercy GME building there on March 20th. It'll start at 11:30, and you can register online. You can pay your $10 ahead of time through the Chamber of Commerce website. So we appreciate the Chamber and Allen Lima leadership as well, helping us, supporting Activate in the work that we're doing in the community.
Yeah, I suppose that's key, to register ahead of time, right? So you can make sure you have enough chili.
Yes, we would love for folks to register ahead of time. We will, of course, take your money at the door, but it's really great and easy for you to head to the Chamber website, pay your $10 online. You don't have to be a Chamber member in order to join us that day. So if that's holding you back, don't let it. You're going to be spending more than $10 likely on lunch anyway. So we really would appreciate you spending that money and letting it go right back into the community, as every dollar that comes in will be heading right back into that winning voted program by you. So we really do appreciate the community joining us to learn about mental health, learn the importance of mental health, and then of course vote on a great presentation that day.
All right, we all have a lunch date, March 20th. Kayla, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you.
All right, don't go away. New Edition continues in a moment.